Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go into your Gmail, and then up top and in this section here, let me show it. In this section here, you're going to type in Google My Business. It's going to send you to a link. It's business.google.com. You're going to go there and you're going to sign in. Then you're going to go to edit your business. And then you're going to go down to users. And then what you do is you go here. And then you're going to type in my Tremain at gmail.com. And then you're going to choose, if you've known me for years, make me an owner. If you don't, then put manager. And then what's going to happen is this will give me the ability to add managers and take out managers without logging into your Gmail account. But once you have it done, then we can go and do a bunch of things with this account. Also, you want to do the same thing. You want to go to Google Webmaster Tools and add me the same way. And then Google Analytics, they have the same thing. They have a user section here. If you don't know how to find it, let me know. Okay, thanks.